Salutations from the upcoming Voyage. Presenting the 2026 Mahindra Motorhome, a vehicle designed for limitless adventures. This RV can endure any terrain thanks to its durable exterior and solid construction. Its timeless, expressive shape is complemented by contemporary design features, including a new multi-slat grille and elegant circular LED headlights. Under this resilient exterior are a variety of motors, including as diesel, gasoline hybrid, and even all-electric variants. All of these engine options are mounted on a flexible chassis that provides the perfect balance between powerful performance and fuel economy. As soon as you go inside, you'll note that the cabin appears to be far more luxurious than its predecessor. The dashboard has been completely redesigned, with a state-of-the-art digital instrument panel that provides all the information required. A large touchscreen that serves as the dashboard's control center is integrated with a modern infotainment system that has wireless connectivity. The upgraded materials and more ergonomic dashboard design may provide a pleasant and comfortable environment for the driver. As soon as you step inside, you'll see how well thought out and useful the interior is. The architecture of the sitting and sleeping areas prioritizes flexibility. The seats are covered in upscale fabrics or even faux leather for maximum comfort. The rear portion may be converted into a comfortable sleeping space for two persons with storage underneath. Larger windows and ambient lighting provide an airy, light-filled space that helps you feel totally at home. The bathroom in this RV is little but functional. Its useful features include a fold-down sink, a portable cassette toilet, and a shower with a smart water system. Despite its small size, it offers all the amenities you want to travel comfortably and hygienically without sacrificing usable living space. The kitchen in this RV is designed to be useful. A compact, integrated kitchen module can assist you in preparing simple meals. There is a stove with 1 or 2 burners, a small sink, and an energy-efficient mini-fridge. Clever storage and hidden drawers make the most of every available inch of space.